Let me ask you something. Have you ever had a great video idea, but the second you open your editor, you already feel tired? And not because you don't know what to say, but because you know how much work it's about to take? Script, storyboard, finding the shots, timing the music, recutting everything when the vibe is slightly off. Crazy, right? And the truth is, that's the part of video creation that burns people out. And the good news? That's exactly the problem AI Video Maker 2.0 is built to solve. Before I show you anything, this is super important. AI Video Maker 2.0 is not a click one button and hope for the best tool. It's not just templates, it's not just auto-generated clips. It's been rebuilt into something very different. And that's a conversational AI video agent that works with you step by step, the same way a real editor or creative partner would. You don't give it one perfect prompt and pray. You talk to it, you adjust, you direct it. And honestly, that changes everything. When you open AI Video Maker 2.0, you don't start with a blank timeline. You start with a conversation. You tell the following. You tell it what the video is about, who it's for, what style you want, how long it should be, and that in just normal language. And instead of dumping a final video on you, it starts building things in stages. First, a rough concept, a script outline, a scene structure, then suggested shots, visuals, pacing, and here's the key part. At every single step, you can stop and say things like, make this more punchy, this feels too slow, change the tone, go more cinematic, explain this simpler. What I like about it is you are always in control. You already know most AI video tools work like this. You give them one input and they generate something you either accepted or start over. Let's face it, that's not how real creative works happen, right? The reason I like AI Video Maker 2.0 because it works like this. From idea, you get a draft. From draft, you go to feedback, then iteration, and finally refinement, right? You can regenerate specific scenes, you can swap individual shots, you can adjust the pacing without breaking the whole video, you can even refine visuals and audio separately. It's designed around the idea that creators think in messy human notes, not perfect prompts. Because let's face it, we are not all experts, at least I'm not. And the AI handles the technical execution without taking creative decisions away from you. I like it. Let me give you a practical example. Let's say you want to make a short brand video. Normally that means hunting stock footage, matching tone, fixing transitions, recutting for different platforms. But in AI Video Maker 2.0, you'd start by describing the idea, like I said, and not the edit. You could say, I want a short brand video that feels warm, confident, and modern. Real people, everyday moments, natural lighting. That's it. Now the AI builds a first version. Then you look at it and say, this feels too polished. Make it more social. As you can see, it adjusts the pacing and visuals. Perfect. Then maybe you want to say, okay, now give me a more cinematic version for YouTube, right? Wow, wow. Now you have multiple versions of the same idea without rebuilding everything from scratch. Isn't this perfect? Yes, indeed. And that's the difference. But
discover comfort that moves with you, effortlessly blending into every moment of your day. From city streets to cozy cafes, experience style that feels as good as it looks.
this is where it really shines. Educational videos usually fail, not because the topic is boring, but because the execution is heavy. With AI Video Maker 2.0, you can focus on clarity, not complexity. You describe the topic, the AI will help you structure the explanation, break ideas into scenes, pair visuals with narration, and when the tone feels wrong, you just say the following: explain this like I'm 12. Right? Make this less dramatic, and more visual clarity here. That's simple. So you are not fighting keyframes, you are shaping ideas. But what surprised me the most is how well this works for creative projects. For short films, for styled visuals, mood-based storytelling, this is perfect. You can guide it visually, color palette, emotion, pacing, atmosphere, and because it supports image-to-image consistency, you are not getting random characters every scene. But again, it's not replacing a full studio, right? Reason I'm still here. But it does let solo creators explore styles that used to be completely unrealistically alone. And this is why I'm comfortable recommending it.
Welcome to a world of wonder. Our young hero stands ready for an epic bicycle race through this enchanting land.
The journey begins. Through the enchanted forest, sunlight filters through glowing leaves and...
If you want to try AI Video Maker 2.0, don't treat it like a demo tool. Pick one real video you actually need. It could be a brand video, a channel intro, right? Maybe a lesson, right? Even that story you've been avoiding, right? Start rough, talk to it, give messy feedback, no problem. Like I said, treat it like a collaborator, not a magic button. That's where it clicks, and you will see you will like the result. Like I said, AI Video Maker 2.0 isn't about replacing creativity. It's about getting ideas out of your head and into videos without burning out on the process. If you ever felt stuck between having ideas and having energy, this might be the tool that finally closes that gap. Link is in the description. Try it properly. You're welcome. As usual, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments, drop a like if you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in my next AI tool recommendation. Peace out.